All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, Splash Network, Drip Network. We're also going to be talking about Piston Token, all kinds of passive income things you can do with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin is up right this second, doing fantastic. Go to their website, check out their Twitter account. Also, is Dogecoin poised for a 50% up tick in the next few days, week or so? We're going to find out. We got an article. Is it going to go up 50%? Holy cow. Also, we're going to cover Piston Token a little bit. They had a little pre-launch yesterday. I think it sold out in like a minute. Another one going on today. And then the real launch, the main one, is on April 3rd. We're going to talk about Piston Token a little bit. And then also Robinhood and Shiba Inu. Who's got the bigger market cap? It looks like Shiba Inu's got bigger than Robinhood now. Isn't it? They're still trying to get on Robinhood? Oh, I don't know. Robinhood and Shiba. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogecoin. All right, Dogecoin number 12 right here on CoinMarketCap. It's up a lot right this second, 21% in the last 7 days. Fantastic. Being traded at around 14 cents. We're going to go ahead and click it right now. Dogecoin traded at 14.5 cents, up 0.5% today. Look at it in the 24 hours, it's doing real good. But if we take a look in the last 7 days, it is up. I mean, just tremendously up here. It's going up. All right, what's going on with Dogecoin? So it's on the Twitter account. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency favored by Shiba Inu worldwide. Elon Musk thinks pretty cool in Dogecoin. The internet tipping currency since 2014. Please add Dogecoin to the tipping jar option. It just makes too much sense. OG tipping cryptocurrency on the internet belongs there. Doge tipping jar. Everyone else can sign the petition. There's over 5,000 sheep strong counting. Yep, let's get the tip in with the Dogecoin going here, everybody. All right, over at the website, Dogecoin, 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. Take a look at this. Is Dogecoin poised for a 50% plus rally over the next week? 50% up? What's going on here? Since mid-March, Dogecoin has been fairly well off on price front. Its movements are carefully observed, and it's noted that the token be carried out in recovery in March. From a high of 13.9 cents on the 1st of March, Dogecoin locally bottomed at around 10, a little under 11 cents on the 13th. Leaving aside a few hiccups, the 12th ranked coin has steadily become able to make higher highs and revisit per pre-launch benchmark levels of late. At this point, Dogecoin has completely negative and loss registered in the month and has seen trading at a level last noted during the mid-February. Post 25% incline. So look at that, a big incline. Dogecoin was priced at approximately 15 cents at the time of the price. Dogecoin en route of a 64% rally. On the weekly chart, Dogecoin prospects looking even brighter. Since May's last year, Dogecoin has been registering low highs and low lows, joining them trend lines on the chart, typically giving rise to a falling wedge. On the sad point, 63% assets would see Dogecoin knock the door of 19 cents. Dogecoin has already rallied 27% till now and can be expected to achieve a forefront target price for the days to come. So, all right, a lot of good stuff going on over here with the Dogecoin. Dogecoin right here. Can this Dogecoin poise a 50% rally up in the next few days? All right, over at the website, 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. Use your wallet, obviously, where you want to keep your Dogecoin. What is Dogecoin? Get started with Dogecoin. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Dogecoin is up a tremendous amount right this second, and it's going up. And there's articles that are talking about it bumping 50% up in the 50% plus in the next week or so. What's going on behind the scenes for the Dogecoin? All right, Piston Token. Yesterday, basically sold, their pre-sale sold out in like 1 minute. It was at 11 o'clock, and it literally sold out in 1 minute. Let's check it out. So over here at piston-token.com, it talks about the start. It talks about the V2 pre-sale that happened today. There's another pre-sale on March 29th tomorrow, and the race actually begins on April 3rd right here. It says tokens and the races, Piston tokens, looking to run the ecosystem, fully tradable and available to everyone. The roadmap, so you can understand and follow the next steps in our project. So right here is where they were at today. Right here is where they were at yesterday. Here's where they're at today on the pre-sale on the 29th. Get in touch with us and say hello. You can check out their white pages, My Diamond Team, join our Telegram group. Now it talks about the pre-sale has ended. So again, just breaking out, like the drip networks, the splassives, My Diamond Hands team. Here's another one, basically Piston token. Check it out. It's like another drip network, another passive income. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, what's going on with Robinhood and Shiba with the market cap? Is it true Shiba's got a bigger market cap than Robinhood now? I don't know. Let's check it out. Robinhood's market cap dips while Shiba Inu sees an increase. So here's the Robinhood and the Shiba Inu. And it says it's been 3 months since Shiba Inu's market cap grew larger than Robinhood's market cap, and now the gap seems to be getting wider. Earlier this year, Robinhood's market cap stood at $14.8 billion, and SHIB's 4 is ahead, revolving around the same number. Nevertheless, neck-to-neck market caps seem to be a thing of the past. Robinhood has saw steadily decreases in the market cap, and on the other hand, SHIB managed to maintain its volume. Fun fact, Sheep still has a larger market cap than Robinhood. So a little fun fact there. From $14.8 billion in January, Robinhood's market cap fell to $10.35 at the present. In the last 3 months, they lost $4.43 billion in market cap, and Shiba Inu maintains the same $14.3. So January's market cap was $14.8, $14.5. So guess what? Shiba Inu has a bigger market cap than the Robinhood. In addition, Robinhood shares only steadily decreasing, and they're trading now around $12.39. They plummeted another 4.5% today. Robinhood was listed at $38 per share, and that is also down 68% from listing. It has reached an all-time high of $85 last year, and now it's down 86%. Shiba Inu has reached record highs. It's also down a little bit. However, Robinhood's bullish segment has declined in the stock market, but Shiba is displaying positive in the crypto market. So yeah, everybody, you got the Shiba Inu and you got the Robinhood, and their market cap is about the same, but actually Shiba's is actually bigger. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So Piston token, check it out. The launch is on the 3rd, a little pre-sale today. It's already been going on. It sold out yesterday in less than a minute. Probably sold out today in less than a minute. But definitely check it out. It's a passive income crypto project that's on the internet. Also, Robinhood and Shiba Inu, about the same size, and now the Shiba actually has a bigger market cap than the Robinhood. Robinhood stocks have been going down, down, down. I don't know what you think about that, but Shiba has been trying to get on Robinhood. Robinhood's market cap's lower. All right, let's head back over to Dogecoin for a price prediction. Over here at the website,
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, Visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, always one of my favorites right on the Dogecoin website. All right, what's our price prediction? Dogecoin, it is actually doing real well. It is up 20% in the last 7 days. I'm going to think that this token is going to get to about 15.5 cents. Now remember, do all your own research. All our information is for educational purposes only. But that article that we just read, is Dogecoin poised for a 50% rally in the next few days? Well, Watchers News, why are they writing articles like this? Make sure you do your own homework. But yep, look at it. It's nice to see that it's up 19%. Polkadot's up 16%. Solana's up 19%. Cardano's up 29%. Look at Ethereum's up. Bitcoin's up. Lots of things are up right now. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. We got lots of things are up. Dogecoin, what's your thoughts? Is it going to jump off the charts here and do a 50% pump? Piston token, have you checked it out? Are you liking the piston? Are you not liking the piston? And then Robinhood and Shiba Inu, market cap win goes to Shiba. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Splash Network, Splasip, 2% a day on your initial investment, 365% for 6 months, 180 days. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. And you have a great evening, and we'll see you a little bit later on tomorrow.